Hi guys. I'm transferring my bag to this bag. I remembered I had free will. I was sitting here like, damn, I need to get all this shit done and I'm trying to be nicer to myself. I talk about a lot on here that I'm always like, oh, I need to be nicer to myself. I follow I follow a lot of different fashion brands here in Tokyo. Also, sorry about my fridge. She's making noise. And one of them is called Queens. I'll put the Instagram. Shout out to the owner. I can never say her name right, but she's also an influencer. Here's her stuff. She is a doll. Living, walking, breathing doll. She owns another brand, which I've never been to. I'm not going to that today, but I saw that she posted about another brand. I believe it's just a pop-up for now. And it looks amazing. Like, exactly the style I wish / kind of have trying to achieve is the style. Her brand too, like hard for me to explain my style. I've noticed I've gotten that question a lot since moving here, is everyone loves me to explain kind of my style, and I kind of have a hard time. I'm not going to try and do that right now. All to say is I love the look of the store and it's not going to be here forever. And I was like, fuck it. I'm going to go today instead of doing the other thing I need or want to do. I did the thing I actually need to do. I got all of my homework done that I've been putting off. But this, I was like, fuck it. I should do something that I really want to do. My new tights from the Lolita Market. And we have this dress that I have worn a few times, or quite a few times. I've had it for like 2 years now, but I don't get to wear it as often as I probably should. It's because the off the shoulder, when I go to class, it's kind of annoying because I'm like raising my hand. Today I said fuck it, and during class it'll be like this. But if I really want to wear it, I need to wear something that allows me to wear it off the shoulders when I feel best in it. And today is one of those days because I'm not going to bring my laptop. I'm going to leave it here. It's going to be a paperweight because I need to come home immediately after class to do some cleaning, and then I can be on my laptop. So need to do that. Bag I actually got from Queens a while back. Necklace is from a brand in Austin, Texas called Not Bad Hot Stuff. Freaking love her. I was about to curse. I'm trying to get better at cursing a little less. Love, love, love. I have 2 pairs of earrings, different pairs of earrings from her. And one is a domino one, but I kind of broke one. I need to find a place that can repair them. One of the dominoes came off they're like hoop earrings with dominoes at the end. But we do have my, say hey to my pimple. And we have my Vivian, my fake Vivian earrings on. They're little paper clips. And if you know, I rocked paper clip earrings for years. My hair is basically blonde. There's like no pink left. It has like random pink undertones now, which is cute in its own right. But we will be getting Uberless pink hair bonding treatment / pink hair for 7 weeks, it says, or 7 washes. 7 washes. I'm over here like, once a week, baby. I'm like, this shit will last me forever. But I'm really excited to try that out. We still have the underneath here has the strongest pink. Even though, even last night, I was like, am I not scrubbing my head correctly? And I was like, and it's just stronger back here. So I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna go look at this place for window shopping because I can't afford to buy shit. But basically I go to look at the address and I see on the Instagram profile that they said the only days they are closed are Tuesdays. It's Tuesday. That is unfortunate. I did send him, or the account, a DM. I was like, hey, y'all really closed on Tuesdays? And then also on top of that, it's like a little confusing just because it seems like usually it's in a different location. That's what the pop-up part of this is. And also, don't mind me, I'm gonna clean. But it sounds like maybe it could be open, but even if, I'm even extra dumb and they wouldn't even open until 1 p.m. No, I'm just a very I like to do things during the daytime type of person. Like, oh no, we are open, then I would go after class just because I do like this outfit for that vibe. I sometimes, these specific stores, if I go to the store not already in kind of a vibe that I feel like matches the store's vibe, sometimes I feel a little out of place. That's just a me thing, but today's vibe would match that store. The cleaning in question is all of my clean clothes. I'm gonna let y'all in on my dirtiness, a secret I guess, but not really a secret, because I'm about to tell you, is the fact that in my bathroom, I have a bathtub in there. This is so sad. I love bathing. I love soaking in a good bath. Unfortunately though, The bath that I have, the water here sucks booty cheeks and it is so cold. I always meant to tell my landlord about it and like figure that out, but I don't know if there's much they can do, and my room has always been a mess. I don't want them to come into my place when it's a mess. That's not the point. The point is there's bathtub in there, and then there's these like covers that you can put on top of the bath to like keep the warmth of the water in there. You know, I think that's what that's for. But I am disgusting, and basically I've been putting my dirty laundry in my bathtub and then covering it with that thing so I can still take a shower. But basically I had dirty clothes in there for quite a while, and I finally got them all clean. Tomorrow morning I am doing some English tutoring. I use that word very loosely. I had someone reach out. They basically want to pay me to have an hour discussion with them 2 times a month. And I'm not surprised by this because I actually did a very similar thing, but I didn't pay for it only because I was set up with a program, and I did it for 2 years back in the US, where they set you up with someone in Japan who wants to practice English, want to practice your Japanese, and you talk for an hour, but the first 30 minutes are in English and the last 30 minutes are in Japanese. I do it for free just because both of us were like kind of exchanging. And it was helpful, and it wasn't anything like we're really teaching each other. It's just genuinely like to have a little convo and you get to know each other, basically, is how we set it up. So it was me and a girl, and yeah, we would do that. Because he's paying me, I don't want it to be like totally unuseful for him. Like, I'm definitely going to take notes and like figure out what he needs help with and like, you know, invest some brain power into making it useful for him. I don't want him to feel like he's wasting his money by any means. Yes, work Friday. Saturday, I have plans to go get a cute brunch. So that's at like 2 or 3 p.m. somewhere in there. So I have time to sleep in a bit after working. But then after that, if my friend wants to join me, we're gonna go to a pop-up that I was invited to. It's like open to the public, like I'm not special. I just know a girl who works there and was like, oh my god, you like have to come. I was like, oh my gosh, my friend's gonna join me. And I don't know if she's like super into fashion, but I don't know. It was kind of near the same area, and I was like, I think she might enjoy. And me and this girl have been trying to hang out for maybe like 2 months now, maybe longer. Like, we can never find a time that works, but we're always like responding to each other's stories, interacting with each other a bunch. I know it may sound small and silly, but I appreciate it. Like, I can tell that both of us are like kind of trying to put in a little bit of effort to at least be parasocially interactive with each other. So I don't know. I just kind of was like, well, I'm going to this thing. It would be nice if she could join. The way I organize my closet is jackets, black, purple, red, pink, orange, greens, blues, browns, whites, and dresses. The cleaning I could. And now when I come home, I do want to vacuum and I want to do my dishes, but other than that, the place is pretty much clean, so that's nice. And I need to take out my trash tonight. Time to go. Something embarrassing I'm going to share with y'all. I got some of these pictures back from the modeling I did this past weekend, and my head, tell me why it's always been oval shaped, like this part, but this part too, like the top of my head, I was like, girl, it needs to be rounded out. So now I'm like, should I be adding teasing to the sides of like the top of my head right here, like here and here? So I did. I did. I added some teasing to the top of my head because I was like, oh my god, is my head an oval? No one's surprised I'm interested in Japanese men and women because I live here, but I've dated here in the past, and I've got to say it's changed a lot since I used to be here. I feel like dating apps have gotten just as slimy as I would consider them in the US to be. There are cultural differences. I don't think it's all bad. I've had a lot of good dates, honestly more good dates than bad dates. Seeing a lot of things that people romanticize about dating Japan hasn't really matched up to my experiences. I've chalked it up to being a foreigner, but who knows. Now, I'll leave it on that. Mata ne.